Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we have a special treat for all you food enthusiasts out there. We'll be delving into the world of sandwich making with the Chefman electric panini grill and gourmet sandwich maker. Now, let's talk about why this is the best grill sandwich maker for home use available in the market today. This sleek and versatile appliance has truly exceeded our expectations. Its non-stick plates ensure easy cleaning, and the adjustable temperature control allows for perfect grilling every time. Whether you're craving paninis, grilled veggies, or even burgers, this appliance delivers delicious results. One of the standout features of the Chefman Panini grill is its 180-degree opening, providing ample space to accommodate any type or size of food. This means you can grill sandwiches, paninis, burgers, and even steaks with ease. The adjustable hinge ensures even cooking in perfect grill marks, giving your creations that professional touch. Cleanup is a breeze with the Chefman Panini grill. The removable drip tray catches excess oil or drippings, keeping your countertop clean and allowing for healthier cooking by reducing the amount of fat in your meals. Plus, the non-stick coated plates are dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time and effort in the kitchen. Another thing we love about this grill is its compact design, making it perfect for any kitchen. It doesn't take up much counter space and can be easily stored when not in use. The stainless steel finish gives it a sleek and modern look that complements any kitchen decor. In conclusion, the Chefman electric panini grill and gourmet sandwich maker are a must-have for anyone who enjoys creating delicious grilled sandwiches and more. Its versatility, ease of cleaning, excellent performance, and compact design make it the best grill sandwich maker for home use on the market. Don't miss out on elevating your sandwich making game with this fantastic appliance. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest kitchen gadgets and appliances. Until next time, happy cooking!